Did you acquire it for?
$2 million.
Welcome back to another awesome vlog. Today we are here at Sierra Madre Collection, and this place is pretty cool. I've been here multiple times with the drone. Last time, my very first time coming down here was during a hailstorm and absolutely destroyed the cars out here with big rocks falling from the sky. Today we are out here and I do have the mic on today, so hopefully the audio is a lot more better for you guys. Last time we did come here with the twin Fiats, and today we are here once again. If you guys are just joining in the channel, my name is Penny. I go to car meets, car shows, anything car related, I am there. And there's gonna be some more how-tos for people who are watching and joining us. Thank you for joining us and subscribing, of course. They haven't set up the music, which is awesome, but this place is crazy. There's gonna be a lot of cars going all the way up the hill, and we're definitely gonna check that out and also check out inside of here. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Also, I just wanna give a heads up. Next week coming up is going to be a very crazy week because we have 4 events on Saturday and 2 events on Sunday. You get free glasses right over here just for following them. They always have these glasses out over here. All the Porsche parts that you think that you need for your cars, they have them here. There's some stickers. They have everything here, that, like for any kind of cars. Recently just watched the Glass Onion and they had the 918 and it was destroyed at the very end. The 918 Spider is a very expensive car. It's a $2 million car. I believe we've only seen one over there at Redondo Beach area. Usually I do lives, but today we're not gonna go live because we are in a very weird area to where the reception's really, really bad. And I don't want anything being glitched out for you guys, but that's cool. We have a Datsun racing car right behind. And a lot of these collection cars are private collectors, so they are gonna be covered and stored here. Keep nice and safe. This one's got some white walls. Can we guess what this is underneath? It's got a long hood on it. I don't know. It kind of looks like a... It's got some curves to it. Kind of looks like a Corvette, but I don't want to say a Corvette. It kind of does. The way how this rear end is right over here, it kind of pinches out. That might be a Corvette. Not too sure. But, there's one right over there. So, yeah, definitely. This is a Corvette right over here. Beautiful. You can just tell by those curves. Coming over here, looking at this one. Look at this real quick. Chevy Corvette. You can't tell me it's not a Corvette. And then there's a couple of bikes. Another Porsche hiding behind there. There's a fastback Mustang hiding behind that way. Nice. So, cool little lot. About to hit up the restaurant right now, and I'll catch you guys outside. This one's really clean. I like the wheels on there. There's gonna be a lot of Porsches, guys. I'm not too familiar with the models. I know there's like Turbo, the 911, you know, all different ones. This area really is for a lot of the older gen, their air-cooled generation of Porsches, which is still pretty cool to be seeing. A lot of the VIP people will be down here and then headed up the hill, which I'll show you guys right now. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and check out all the cars, walk up and down, and probably leave it on the natural audio for you guys. I guess it's one of the newer ones showing up. That's pretty cool. Check out that. Last time we were here, they did not have parking enforcement blocking off the street, but they have parking enforcement here today to help out with the event. And also another thing is that this event was gonna happen a little bit sooner. However, though, we're not gonna forget that they did have fires out here in the Altadena, Pasadena area. We are in Glendale, Eagle Rock area, but it's not too far away from that. And check out this one. Switch subjects real quick. We'll check out this Porsche right here with a little homage on the hood. The history of the Speedster. That's cool. Now, I would be doing cinematic videos and getting all that stuff down to like the pans and recording and all that stuff. It'd be really cool to just do a little B-roll, you know. But the music on YouTube is an absolute horrendous thing. I do believe that other YouTubers pay for their music to be on their videos because there's no way that they could put regular audio on there. But it's pretty cool. I think it's crazy how much a Porsche actually really costs. You can find a box here for cheap, but these don't run cheap at all. And Clear tails is nice. Get them rollers in, bro. Get them rollers in. That's a smart idea. Looks like we got a guy vlogging. He's vlogging with us. So we're gonna continue to vlog with him. I wonder if he's doing Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or what other social media platforms are out there. This guy's here. So this guy right over here, one day he had his Porsche, I believe it was one of the, I forget which one it is, but he completely lost control and he swerved and the whole entire car went in the behind of a semi-truck side.
It's turned into a scary situation on Monday morning when the Porsche I was riding in crashed. I was riding with well-known Porsche enthusiast Magnus Walker. We wanted to get video from inside and outside his classic Porsche for a story. It was part of a big Porsche media event. Here is video of what happened while we were on a frontage road.
He's still here walking around. I remember him because he looked like Forrest Gump. Crazy looking guy. This thing is nice. I love how it says Porsche on the light. We have an imposter. Or an imposter. An imposter. We have an imposter around there. Stance works. It's got the air ride tank, hard lines. That's pretty sick. One soft line, I guess, for the main draining. If that is a draining one, but double fused up. Aired out, tuck the wheels. Tan interior with the little hoodie on the shifter. It's actually a manual. That's sick. I respect that. It's a really nice one, actually. Carbon fiber steering wheel. Nice, clean, subtle. Not too bad. Some carbon fiber over here. Check out this wing, though. What's up with the decals? It's missing. Oh my goodness. Tree spiders are all over the place today. They're definitely on this car too, but well, that's cool. I like it. Nice. Oh, that's nice though. This one has to be my favorite. I like the gray of the gray. That's a really nice one. All right, so kind of coming to this one right over here with the mobile Pegasus on the side of Target Tops. Target Tops are already wearing their own thing. I think it's crazy. I forget which one it is. It starts with a K. Man, some really crazy looking wheels. Love how the calipers match it. That front lip is all carbon. Painted the underbelly of it too. Wow. That is amazing. Fabulous. Carbon fiber. Hold on. Carbon fiber. Literally everything and then painted. I mean, yeah, clearly, obviously, I do know that as well, but it could be wrapped. But it's cool. Had a different lifestyle. Target top. That's completely carbon fiber. Was taken from Germany, redone in Germany, then shipped back over here. And we've seen it over there at Manhattan Beach Cars and Coffee, which is also going on Saturday. This one right over here is from Fast 5, and we don't really know his name, but the famous quote is...
Hermano, you didn't think that we'd recognize you? Got a lot of people looking for you, man.
And this one is, what did they say? What did they say you got it from?
Rome's like, huh, where'd you get that from? Papa Smurf?
Caraca, mano. Word on the street is a lot of people looking for you, too. You didn't think we'd recognize you?
Where'd you get that from? Papa Smurf?
None of this makes any sense.
Papa Smurf's car. GT3 RS is cool because it is from the Fast 5 movie. He does have the Fast 5 little thing right inside. It's always cool to be seen. It's got the signed t-shirt on there. That's pretty cool. Coming on to this side. There he is. So that's cool. It's got the sparkle inside. It's always nice to be seeing movie cars that aren't part of the movie, but the smaller cars that they kind of bring to the light. Besides the Porsche meets at Santa Clarita, it's a pretty cool mirror, ADHD kicked in. Besides the Porsche meets at Santa Clarita, this place here, Sierra Madre, also hosts really cool Porsche events. So there's gonna be a lot, but not as much diversity cars. So Porsche Santa Clarita, they also have events in the morning. This one is, again, with a lot of the older Porsche models. Look at that thing. That's what the inside of my pocket fuzz looks like, the little dog. I like that blue color. See, it's crazy with the 992, the 911, the 918, the 917. There's just too much. The Carrera. Look at this dude. This one definitely needs a whole entire paint correction on there. But the Speedsters. If you guys are local again in the SoCal area, definitely check out the Santa Clarita area underneath because they have a beautiful museum. They're hosting the race cars, Porsche and everything. Check out this engine in here. It's crazy to think that Porsche and Volkswagen were kind of the same back then, the way how everything is. But that's nice. V Poppy. I'm sorry I can't give you guys too much information behind these cars because then again, like I said, I'm not a Porsche full enthusiast. If we were to talk about Fiats, definitely, I'll be able to tell you a lot more about those. But it's always cool to be seeing these, keeping them alive, I guess, keeping them rolling around. This car right over here, this car right over here is a very infamous one to be around Sierra Madre collection all the time, showing up with a Canon livery on there. Not too bad. He's got Raleigh Monterey on there. If you don't know State of Speed also had Raleigh Monterey. So that's also why that car looks very, very familiar. One car I know that won't show up here is the Apple car. Which is a crazy twin turbo Porsche. This guy on Instagram owns, I don't know if it's a real Apple car or if it's a livery, but basically I believe in the Le Mans that was raced, but not that exact model. I still haven't set up the DJ. That is great because we don't have to worry about the copyright infringement in the background. Now, I think that these guys should work out a better system because this girl and this guy and a bunch of other ones have been running up and down the hill. But Sierra Madre collection's a little not collected this morning. This thing is clean. Such a crazy color to it. How many times will he stall the car going up the hill? I'm kind of checking out this car one last time. Actually, I've seen a few rare Porsches to an all carbon fiber Porsche at SEMA. This one is pretty cool. I do like it. I have no clue what I'm looking at, guys. Comment down below what kind of Porsche this is. It is manual. It's nice. Porsche 999 question mark. Is that what it says on the steering wheel? Montana plates, of course. It's pretty sick. Kind of looks like this one, just a little bit. The 914 right next door, but it's got a whole different kit on there. All right, guys, so I did some small little research, and this is actually a Porsche 959, and this car right now, it was basically the fastest street legal race car of its time. And this car is worth $1.3 million. That's insane for, because I want to tell you the facts about this. I don't want to leave you on a hanger. Question, boss. What kind of Porsche is this?
It's a 959.
959? How did you acquire this one?
I call this company Canapa.
Canapa?
How I found it.
How much did you acquire it for?
$2 million.
$2 million?
Yes.
Sheesh. That's crazy. What made you get this one over any other Porsches?
The best. I think it's the best Porsche ever made.
Yeah? Have you done anything to it since you bought it, or? Wow, that's crazy.
No, I didn't do anything to it.
That's crazy.
It didn't need anything. The car was perfect.
Perfect? Wow.
Yes.
Nice. You don't mind me asking, man, what do you do for a living to afford a car like this?
I am retired now.
Oh, okay,
I used
okay.
to build television studios though.
Television studios, wow. Nice. Yeah, this thing's beautiful, man. I was staring at it for a while, so.
What is it that you do for a living?
Me, automotive YouTuber, man.
You can make a living doing out of here?
Right now
it's profit. You can make
it's a hobby right now.
Buy a car,
Yeah.
all that stuff with the YouTubing of cars.
Right now, I profit off of like stories and everything, meeting people like you, you know,
What do you
like learning things about new cars, knowledge.
Oh, you
Knowledge.
sell
That's
your
my
knowledge?
profit.
People
No,
buy your knowledge?
right now my knowledge is for me, you know, just learning new things. So.
And how do you pay your rent?
Wow. $2 million. $2 million car. 2 million, I cannot stop saying that. That is crazy. $2 million for an old Porsche, guys, because it is the fastest one. He likes it and he was in television. That is. Yeah, it's absolutely insane. I feel like with $2 million, guys, I would be able to afford this whole entire line right here. And maybe some of these cars right over here. These cars right here are not too bad. I mean, you can find them anywhere from like 50K and up, depending, of course, what kind of model you get, how restored it is. Like this one right over here has some Bondo going on with it, but they all vary in prices. But absolutely insane to find out more information about this one. The guy did seem kind of standoffish, but then again, that's how everybody is being on camera. Again, with $2 million, I feel like the 918 Spider would have been the best choice just because that's a hybrid electric. And again, I mean, even the Carrera GT is not even that much, and that one had Paul Walker's face all over it. This one did reach a top speed of 300 plus kilometers back in its glory days. That is crazy. Can't forget about Bisimoto's Porsche right over here. This one he made custom to his own thing. He wanted a speedtail and made his own speedtail. This is something really cool to see right in front. The 911S does have the plaid interior. Magneti Morelli, pretty cool. It's another racing one. Williams 911S. Sponsored by the Classic Center. See that white and black plaid inside. Cool. This has a sticker Porsche right in front with a little bit of PPF in there. Nice. This is their main car right over here. Nice. I do like the plaid inside though. It's a really nice touch. Definitely Volkswagen hopped on that one as well with the plaid inside there. Woo! Took the thing out of gear and almost rolled into the other one. That would have been an epic video. Magneti Morelli is pretty cool. They have that little sticker on there because Fiat has a thing like that too. Nice. Rolling it right on out. Well, I think that's going to be it for today's vlog, guys. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of common cars that are here. Nothing too much has changed besides that insane $2 million car. That guy got it for $700,000 markup, but he is totally fine with that. And cleaning it with wax. Out of all the things, just a quick little wax down. But nice morning out here, Sierra Madre. Now we're going to start the next video, which is going to be fuel injectors. So if you guys want to see how to do that, definitely hit the subscription button. And if you want to stay active and get updated, hit the subscription button. Make sure to put on the notifications. We are going to be going live on Saturday as well, which is just in a couple of days. In this case, it's going to be a 1 day. It's a nice little carbon fiber box. It's dry, but check that out. Looks pretty clean. So definitely make sure to hit the like button, guys. Make sure to hit the subscription button and the ring the bell button, all the buttons and whistles and bells and whatnot. Comment down below what was your favorite car around here as well. For me, the Corvette's inside and this crazy one right over here. I do like the other one that was on our air ride suspension. That was pretty cool. We got this right over here. Selling all the stuff. Shift knobs. That's a cool little jacket as well. As always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.